Holy Trinity Church is a very historical temple. It's located in the historical area under the name Podil, and it's approximately 10 minutes walking distance from the metro station historical museum. Before here was an old wooden church which was erected approximately at the beginning of 17th century. In former times, this area was flooded every spring for the nearby river Kharkiv. The river has the same name like as city. And after 200 years, the condition of this old wooden church was very horrible. It was destroyed, and this place, the current stone building, was erected. By the way, before it was very trading area. For example, approximately 100 meters from here there is a fish market or fish square. In old times here was very great fishing market, but great now I think it's very hard to get some fish from the local river. First of all, the amount of water is much less than it was 100 and even 200 years ago, and first of all, the water is very polluted. But 100-200 years ago it was really a fishing area. The temple itself was erected in traditional Byzantine style with bell tower nearby, and what is the most good that this church survived as a area at the time of communists. Maybe you know from the history that in 1930s Soviet communists destroyed a lot of churches in all the Soviet Union area and including Kharkiv city, but due to some reasons, maybe some God's cover, this church survived this area, and all the frescoes which you see in the walls are unique. So if you are somehow in this in the near metro station's historical museum, you are welcome to visit this very old wonderful church.